Sales operations. Sales operations is a set of business activities and processes that help a sales organization run effectively, efficiently and in support of business strategies and objectives. Sales operations may also be referred to as sales, sales support or business operations. The set of sales operations activities vary from company to company but often include these 5 categories. Sales force enablement, business analytics, sales administration, attainment planning, sales operations mandate and design. The sales operations team members are often liaisons for sales to other parts of the organization such as finance, marketing, legal, QA and IT departments. They will represent the needs of sales in meetings and cross-functional projects. More and more companies are forming sales operations departments within their organizations and, per the Sales Operations Excellence Center, sales operations is an established process and considered to be a vital contributor to business operations and accounting functions. Sales operation analysts as a department usually have sales analysts that work directly under them, supplying them with the data needed to make decisions. These decisions can transform a fragmented and silted model into a customer-adaptive enterprise. Nowadays, a lot of companies or small businesses start to use tools to improve sales function. Sales targets. Sales target is the minimum sales goal for a set time span. A sales target may be minimum amount of pounds, monetary value, or product sold, volume. Sales targets may also be for sales activities like number of calls per day. Management usually sets the sales targets and the sales territory. The time span could be set for the day, week, month, fiscal quarter or year. Sales territory. A sales territory is usually the customer group or geographical area assigned to an individual salesperson or a sales team. The geographical area may also be assigned to a franchisee, distributor, or agent. A sales territory may also be assigned by industry verticals, such as all retailers or all wholesalers in a geographical area. A sales territory may be as large as a continent, country, state or province, or as small as a precinct, suburb, town or city. Generally, a sales manager will assign a sales territory based on the territories of the sales resources reporting to him/her. Sales forecasting. Sales forecasting uses past sales figures to predict the short-term or long-term future performance to enable sound financial planning. Historical sales and/or economic data is often used to improve the forecast of sales. For shops and stores, market research may yield the following indicators for deriving initial forecasts.